How to find relationship privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find relationship privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and here just go down again. Here you will find profile information, click on it and go down. You will find your relationship. Here just click this pin and go down. Here you will find share with public or anything muhim share. Click on it and then just you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.